members among them.
The Assembly Committee on Women Empowerment yesterday held a review meeting at the Conference Hall DC Office Nongstoin on the status of women and various aspects. The committee was headed by MLA Santa Mary Shilla. In her address, the chairperson elaborated on the steps taken by the government to tackle crime against women and children and to speed up the pending cases and give justice to the victims. She also informed that the committee will follow up and take the initiative to prevent the increase of crime against children by advising different schools, villages and the police department to conduct field awareness programs to make people aware of the law.
Follow up making jet case ba kamjia ye tinu kamtan kai ba shakamat ni wa ban bodin especially with the district whole area ba bodin ba kini di case ba kini la ban le awareness program ha baro ng school no hikaru kila ban program school di police department ro kila ban le hakalen villages mo ng kondong ba ting kane social media ro comes no takadaw ni pa ban request ito ni baro ni department ban kide ban le awareness program kalen villages